Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that RateX token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, RateX is a universal structured financial layer that enables leveraged yield farming, leverage trading and fixed yield investment through structured tokenization. It's a protocol Mooncake provides a fully permissionless leveraged tokens trading marketplace. RateX was founded in January 2024 by a Hong Kong-based team with backgrounds in traditional finance, including former portfolio managers and traders. The protocol launched on Solana in October 2024 as one of the earliest DeFi platforms, offering margin-based yield trading and quickly become the largest yield trading protocol on Solana. In April 2025, RateX expanded its infrastructure to the BNB ecosystem. In October 2025, RateX introduced Mooncake, a permissionless market for leveraged tokens, marking its evolution from a yield trading protocol into a broader multi-product structured financial layer. RateX project institution rating is 3.5. RateX token total supply is 100 million and circulating supply is around 16.66 million RTX token. RTX token is listed on Binance Alpha and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.